Stuck with Wi-Fi that's slower than dial-up? Buffering binge-watching, laggy games, frozen calls, kids sneaking online at midnight? Other internet providers just give you speed. They don't care about you. Meet your new Wi-Fi hero. Our new app puts you in charge. Swipe through the new carousel to manage your experience. Now you can access all the key features with one tap. Gamers, gaming mode means you won't be competing for bandwidth with other devices. And traffic is prioritized, so no more lag. Just pure victory. Work from home pros, work mode supercharges your calls with zero glitches and powers through deadlines like a boss. Parents, own the chaos. Create profiles, block sketchy sites, set time limits, or pause the kids' Wi-Fi for bedtime or timeout. Need to chill? Entertainment mode delivers streaming so smooth you'll forget buffering exists. Real-time alerts keep you in the know, ensuring everyone's having a great experience. And if you spot a Wi-Fi freeloader, easily boot them out with a swipe. Unlike old-school internet providers, we got your back with smarter security built in with Protect IQ. Hackers, viruses, creepy web threats? Not in your house. Protect IQ obliterates malware and blocks cyber goons, keeping you and your devices safe. It's not just an app, it's Wi-Fi that gets you. Upgrade or subscribe today.